Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in 4K resolution on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open your camera, then tap here, then go to the video, switch to the video mode, tap here, and here you can select resolution. You can set 720p, 1080p, 4K, or even the 8K. Wow. And you can also change the frame rate from 40 FPS to the 60 FPS. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.